Yes, hello guys. I'm back on this application. I want to show you how to make money, but today let us go direct to how much money I have made. Right? Let me go to my earning history. I want you guys to see that there is money on this application and you can make money. Yes, I want you to watch carefully how much money you can make. Yes, you can see. This is 15k. I just made it recently. This is another 15k. I just made it recently. You can look at the dates. 2023, 40k, 40k. Right? You can see. Oh, that money I just made it recently. You can see. Oh, this is money I'm making on this application. Right? Let me scroll down. We enjoy watching the application and how we are making money on it. You see.